We're born playing. Do you notice that? Just the seconds away from the nipple is play. And so, what's the survival priority of play, if not to learn? To play in nature. That's what fascinates me. And it's in training. It entrains the whole of my mind and my body, my heart, and breath. And that wisdom is a teacher if we're willing to learn. This ecology of mind is another step toward learning that wisdom of nature. And that's why I think it's so compelling. I'm Patrick McManus, and I play Einstein all over the world, and time travel, and do all kinds of wonderful things in the character of Einstein, and I am on the trail of genius all over the planet. And guess what? I'm discovering it everywhere, and I'm helping other people do the same thing, discover their own genius, and get it out to the world. All of us. We're all born geniuses. That's for sure. Just as we see it everywhere in nature. Genius is everywhere. We need to claim it.